Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Badoo website step by step. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in Badoo. And then hit go or enter on your keyboard and then tap on the first link. You may have to accept the cookies, after which you can hit sign up. And then you can either continue with phone, continue with email, or continue with Google. For now, we're going to be continuing with email. Here you must enter your email address. If you have autofill enabled, and it'll automatically fill in the email address for you. Hit the preferred option. After which a verification code will be sent to your email. You can simply open the email app on your phone. Head to your inbox. You may have to refresh your email app. Long press on the code sent by Badoo, copy it, head back over to the website, long press on the box, hit paste, and then hit continue. If you're asked to create a passkey, you can either create a passkey or hit not now and then continue. Select your sender, select your name, select your birth date, hit continue, and follow the rest of the on-screen instructions to sign up and log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.